he wants to know, he said he has no reason to believe he has a rotator cuff injury because he hasn't done anything to it. But it hurts when he lifts his arm. It did hurt when he lifted his arm. He said, would a rotator cuff stop hurting? Would it just stop?
Yes,
And it
at the
is
cost,
how
the rotator cuff will stop hurting at the cost of the shoulder not working. So you are compromising one for the other. Typically when the rotator cuff is hurting, now if my rotator cuff was only 5 tendons, there are a million fibers, but let's say there were 5. The fact that 5 became 4, 4 became 3, 3 became 2, that's the reason they're hurting. The fibers are tearing at a microscopic level again and again, and the hole in the shirt's getting bigger and bigger, and the fibers are tearing. That's what's hurting.
But the pain's going to go away when I stop doing activities that would otherwise provoke it. And so we give up many of our normal activities of daily living or recreation. We modify our work activities. The actual tear in the rotator cuff rarely heals itself.
Unless you're 18, maybe 19 years and younger.